Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Square versus Shopify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Square and Shopify have stellar reputations in the e-commerce world and for good reason. Both platforms offer users a comprehensive suite of tools to build and run their online stores. Also, both provide offline point of sale solutions to complement their online offerings. When it comes to choosing between the two, it ultimately comes down to your specific needs as a business owner. To help you make the best decision, we are going to put together a side by side comparison of Square versus Shopify. We considered ease of use, price, features, and reporting tools. Both Square and Shopify offer price fairly, comprehensive solutions for businesses of all sizes, which is why they're both on our list of best e-commerce platforms. Square's basic POS system is free, while Shopify charges $5 per month for its entry-level plan. However, the price difference becomes more pronounced as you move up the tiers. Shopify's basic plan is $39 per month, while Square charges for its add ons. Square is best for businesses that need a comprehensive e commerce solution with offline POS features, while Shopify is better for those that need more e commerce specific features. Shopify doesn't offer a free plan, but it does provide a 14-day free trial. Its cheapest plan starts at $5 per month and it's suitable for businesses just getting started because it's meant for social selling. Square doesn't charge a monthly fee unless you're paying for an add on, such as payroll. That is $35 per month plus $5 per person per month, or loyalty rewards starting at $45 per month. Both Shopify and Square offer SSL certificates and have app marketplaces for integrations. Square offers a pay as you go solution, and Shopify offers a discount for paying for a year at a time, although you can pay month to month. An important distinction to understand about Shopify is that you'll pay your monthly fee whether you make any sales, which can daunt new and fledgling businesses. Shopify is a great e commerce platform for businesses that want to sell online, in store, or through social media. If you're looking for an all in one solution that includes a POS, social selling, and inventory management, Shopify is a good choice. Square is best suited for businesses that need a simple way to accept payments and don't want to commit to a long term contract. If you're selling online, in person, or via invoices, Square could be the right fit. The largest difference between Square and Shopify is its pricing and main uses. Square doesn't have a monthly fee unless paying for add ons such as payroll or loyalty, and Shopify charges a monthly fee. Additionally, Shopify is an e commerce platform first, while Square is a payment processor first. Square is the best e commerce platform for startups because it requires no contracts. You don't pay unless you make a sale, and it integrates with a number of business tools. If your business primarily relies on online sales, Shopify can be an excellent fit. The platform allows an unlimited number of products and makes it easy to track inventory. Plus, the drag and drop website builder is very beginner friendly, so you can create a professional looking website yourself without needing to hire a designer. In terms of analytics and reporting, Shopify is limited unless you upgrade to a $79 per month subscription, while Square is available but very limited unless you use an industry specific POS package. In terms of customer management, Shopify, you can create customer profiles, group customers by habits and demographics, and more. While in Square, you can create customer profiles, set up a loyalty program or a fee, search customer information, and more. Now let's go to marketing. In Shopify, you can send marketing emails to customers, offer coupons, discounts, and gift cards. In Square, you can view customer insights and have customers subscribe to email newsletters, advanced marketing tools available with added $15 per month Square marketing subscription. In terms of commitment, in Shopify, contract length varies month to month with optional longer term options, while in Square, there is no contract required. Let's go to POS features. In Shopify, you cannot process payments while offline. A decent selection of POS system setups available. While in Square, you can process payments while offline. Extensive card readers and POS system setups, tap to pay feature. E-commerce features. In Shopify, it has advanced inventory and shipping features in basic plan, accepts 133 currencies, and highly customizable website. In Square, it has advanced inventory and shipping features available with upgrade to Square for retail, accepts 8 currencies, pretty inflexible and a simple website. Integrations. Shopify has 2,000 plus app integrations. It also integrates with Zapier, while Square has nearly 200 app integrations and it also integrates with Zapier. Support. Shopify has 24/7 phone and chat support, email, social media, and forum support, while Square offers phone and chat support during business hours, email, social media, and extensive forum support. So, choosing the best e commerce platform will really depend on what your businesses need. If you're a small business, especially in retail or in the restaurant industry, that primarily sells in person via a brick and mortar store or pop up shops, Square is the merchant platform to beat due to its simplicity, advanced POS hardware, and specialized POS systems for specific types of businesses. If you are a larger business that primarily sells online, especially if you sell to a widespread international market, Shopify wins out over Square due to its advanced inventory and shipping capabilities, powerful website building features, and extensive set of integrations. So, which one do you think is better for you, Square or Shopify? I hope this video helped you in determining which one to choose. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to write them below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.